I'm so hungry I can eat a pig. I mean a whole damn pig, maybe a whole cow. Give me a whole chicken too and a duck. So the question for today is, how many animals, full animals, does a human eat in a whole lifetime? 11 cows. Holy cow. Pun intended. The average person will chomp down on 7,000 animals during their lifetime. According to the vegetarian calculator, that would be 11 cows, 27 pigs, 27 pigs, can you believe that? 2,400 chickens, and 80 turkeys, not including fish, 30 sheep, and 2,400 fish. Fun fact of the day.